apply toothpaste to your nails, and you won't need to spend money on a doctor. Hello and welcome back to Clever Tricks. How are you doing today? I hope everything is great with you. Today, I am going to share 2 super useful money-saving tips that you can easily apply in your daily life. It is amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. For our first tip, you just need to prepare a small bowl like this. Our main ingredient is toothpaste. I will use an amount about the size of a tablespoon. If you like content like this, please leave a comment below. I really want to share more tips to help you save money. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Now, we are going to add coconut oil. We need about 1 tablespoon. If you don't have coconut oil at home, olive oil works perfectly too. Next, we will use 3 tablespoons of regular salt, the kind you already have in your kitchen. Now, it is very important that we mix all of these ingredients really well until it becomes a smooth, consistent paste. Keep stirring until the oil is fully combined with the toothpaste and salt. It should start looking like this. Let me know in the comments which country you are watching from, so I can give you a special hug. So, what are we going to use this recipe for? If you are having problems with nail strength, or even if you have nail fungus, this is a simple solution. Take some of the paste and apply it to all of your nails. It works for both your fingernails and your toenails. This mixture helps strengthen your nails and prevents fungal growth. Your nails will no longer look yellow or unhealthy. Instead, they will be brighter, stronger, and much healthier. Use this recipe once every day for 30 days. Then come back and tell me the results in the comments. You will see a big difference. Now, we are moving on to our second recipe. This one is specifically for your feet. Just like before, we start with toothpaste. You can use any brand you have on hand. Here I am, using about a teaspoon. Next, we will add 1 tablespoon of any moisturizer you prefer. It does not have to be a specific brand. Just use what you usually put on your skin. Now, pay close attention to the next steps. We are going to add 3 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can substitute it with olive oil. Now, stir everything together really well. You want to mix it with force to make sure all the ingredients combine into a smooth, homogeneous mixture. It should look just like this when you are finished. If you struggle with yellow-toned skin on your feet, cracked heels, or unpleasant foot odor, here is exactly what you need to do. Before you head to bed, take this amazing mixture you just prepared and apply it generously all over your feet. This is a great time to join our community. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button to support our channel. Once applied, use the mixture to exfoliate your feet. This will leave your skin feeling completely clean and refreshed. This mixture is fantastic because it contains natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. It works to neutralize odors, heal those painful cracks, and make the skin on your feet look beautiful, soft, and much stronger. You should leave the mixture on for about 10 minutes, and then wash it off thoroughly with water. If you repeat this process every night for 30 days, you will see a massive improvement in the health and appearance of your feet. Try this out at home. I am certain this recipe will work for you, and you will want to share it with your friends and family. I really hope you enjoyed these 2 simple recipes today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and share it with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.